In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Deliveroo. This is a straightforward process, so whether you've just had an excellent meal or there's some feedback you want to share with the restaurant, you'll be all set to express your opinions. To begin, open your Deliveroo app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your account details. Once you're in the app, head straight over to your order history. This section is usually found within the main menu, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon on your screen. Now, your order history contains a list of all the meals you've ordered. Simply scroll through this list until you find the specific order you want to share your thoughts about. At this point, select the order by tapping on it. This will bring up detailed information about the meal, including the items you ordered, the restaurant name, the delivery time, and more. It's essential to ensure that you're reviewing the correct order, especially if you make frequent purchases. When you're certain you have the right order, look for the option to leave feedback. This button is usually clearly marked and may be labeled as leave feedback or something similar. Tap on this to proceed. Once you've clicked to leave feedback, you'll see a comment box appear on your screen. This is your opportunity to express your thoughts and comments regarding your experience. It could be about the taste, presentation, delivery time, or customer service. It's important to be specific and constructive with your feedback to help the restaurant understand your perspective. For instance, if the food was delivered promptly and was delicious, mention that. Conversely, if there were issues such as late delivery or missing items, it's also helpful to point these out constructively. After you've penned your comments and are satisfied with them, the final step is to submit your feedback. You'll usually find a submit or send button near the comment box. Double check your feedback to ensure everything is as you want it, then tap the button to send your review off to the restaurant. And there you have it. You've successfully left a review on Deliveroo. This feedback not only helps the restaurant improve and excel in their service, but also aids fellow customers in making informed decisions when ordering. Remember, sharing your experience, whether positive or constructive, plays a crucial role in maintaining service quality on platforms like Deliveroo. Thanks for watching and happy eating.